Bentley II, a cage-style ceiling fan that's perfectly suited for direct air circulation and tight spaces. In this video, we will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to install the fan and the different features that are included. A UPC number is noted in your registration card. If you ever need to contact customer service, this number will allow representatives to identify your specific fan model. Write it down and save it before beginning the installation. If you feel that you do not have enough electrical wiring knowledge or experience, have your fan installed by a licensed electrician. Begin by cutting power to the room from your breaker. With power safely turned off, check the ceiling junction box where you will be installing your fan. The box must be UL listed and acceptable for fan support of up to 35 pounds. The ceiling box will need a neutral white wire and a ground wire. Your wall switch outlet box will need a hot black wire and a ground wire. In order to install this fan, a black wire and a red wire that runs from the wall outlet box to the ceiling outlet box are also required. If the wire colors in your home are different, you will need to contact a licensed electrician. Installation requires the proper tools as well: a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, a step ladder, a wire stripper, and electrical tape. Finally, you will need to check the parts list in your owner's manual and verify that you have all of the required fan parts. With your outlet boxes, tools, and ceiling fan parts ready, you can now begin the installation. A stopper is installed on top of the motor to keep the fan secured during transportation and installation. Do not remove the stopper until the entire installation has been completed. Remove the canopy bottom cover from the canopy by turning it counterclockwise. Remove the mounting bracket from the canopy by removing the non-slotted canopy mounting screw and loosening the slotted one. Turn the canopy counterclockwise to remove the mounting bracket. On top of the motor, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Then loosen the two collar set screws. Slide the motor's wires through the coupling cover, the bottom canopy cover, the canopy, and the ball downrod assembly. Align the holes on the downrod with the holes on the motor's collar. Insert the clevis pin and secure it with the cotter pin. Tighten the two collar set screws. Remove the two screws from the ceiling outlet box. Pass the supply wires through the center hole in the mounting bracket. Securely tighten the two screws onto the mounting bracket and outlet box. To make installation easier, measure about 1 foot from the downrod, then cut the black, blue, and white wires. Strip the wires about 3/4 of an inch from the cut. Carefully lift the fan motor up to the mounting bracket and rotate it to the direction you want it to oscillate. Slide the hanger ball into the socket and gently drop the motor into the bracket. To avoid possible electric shock, ensure electricity is turned off at the main fuse box before wiring. Bring the wall switch to the wall outlet box. Twist the blue wire from the wall control and the red wire from the box together. Then thread the wire nut over them. Secure the wires with electrical tape. Use the same process to connect the solid black wire from the wall switch to the black wire that goes from the wall box to the ceiling box. Connect the black and white wires from the wall switch to the black hot wire from the box. Connect the yellow and green wire from the wall switch to the ground wire from the box. With all 4 connections complete, verify that there are no exposed or uncapped wires inside the box. Tuck the connections inside and secure the wall switch with the 2 wall switch screws. Attach the wall plate over the wall switch and secure it with the 2 wall plate screws. At the ceiling box, you will need to make the connections for the fan motor. Use a wire nut and electrical tape to connect the ground wire from your down rod and from your hanger bracket to the ground wire coming from your ceiling box. Connect the blue fan wire to the red wire in the box. Connect the black fan wire to the black wire in the box. Connect the white fan wire to the neutral white wire in the box. Once the connections are complete, inspect the box for exposed wires, then tuck the connections inside. Slide the canopy up the mounting bracket. Align the slotted opening on the canopy with the loose mounting bracket screw and twist to hold in place. Insert the removed mounting bracket screw through the slotted canopy hole, then tighten both screws. Lift and align the bottom canopy cover with the screws on the canopy. Press and twist to lock the cover into place. You can now remove the stopper on top of the fan. Press the clip and slide it off the motor. Restore power to the room from the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is ready to operate. The 3-speed control allows you to select the speed of the fan. 3 sets the fan to low speed. 2 sets the fan to medium speed. 1 sets the fan to high speed. And 0 turns the fan off. The fan can oscillate at 45 degrees in 2 directions. To turn on fan oscillation, flip the oscillation switch to the on position. If you would like the fan to hold a specific position, flip the oscillation switch to the off position when it reaches the position you desire. Never move the fan head manually. Doing so will damage the oscillation gear.
Congratulations! Your Bentley II ceiling fan is now ready to use. If you have any questions or if you need over-the-phone assistance, please call the service number in your owner's manual. Customer service representatives will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.